It is January 15th, 2025, and we are going to review this Tommy Hilfiger website. So this is the homepage. Very neat. I love how they put, obviously, new men, women, kids, shoes and accessories, underwear, Tommy jeans, and sale. So they do have a free shipping, and then they have extra 20% off. Start the new year in style. I like how they separated women's, men's polos, shop men's, women is to the right. Let's go to the right. All right, so let's shop some women. Let's give you an idea of some price range. We can join 20% off our first VIP purchase. You can join the club. There's just a pop-up. Let's take a look at this puffer jacket, half off, $84. Not bad. This sweater for $32. Bootcut jeans, $97. So there's a lot of great items on sale. So definitely affordable, not expensive. You have sweatpants for like $77, a polo sweatshirt for $69. Tommy Hilfiger, you have some like bras and panties, sweater tanks, 3-pack of bikinis, $25. Solid stretch shirt for $41. There's boots, you have leather handbags, shoes and accessories. So it gives you an idea. Basic, same thing. You got the classic colors. You have the white, beige, black, navy, brown. Take a look. Simple, neat. Logos on just about everything, but not too crazy. You'll see the logo, Tommy Hilfiger. You'll see that on all products, whether it's small or even if it's like big like that on the bag, or just the colors alone. There was this teacher at my school. I was like, he just looks like Tommy Hilfiger, and I was right. It's definitely Tommy because you could just tell by the colors. That red, white, blue look. All right, let's go to Tommy jeans. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of their jeans, so I don't know. But they do have a Tommy jeans selection over here. They have the sneaker over here on sale for 30% off. Belts, $41. Hoodies. All right, I think you guys get the idea. We're gonna go to the good part. Now we're gonna go look for a job. There is an affiliate program link. I do see YouTube, I do see Instagram, so that's good. I love the chat feature. So you can click on chat, store directory. There's a lot of links here. Sustainability, this is People's Place program. That sounds good, Tommy Stories. So if this is your research project, click on each one of these links. Hilfiger Club, newsletter sign up. We're going to focus on careers. And then click on search. All right, so we have a floor supervisor, part-time, sales associate, Orlando, Florida. Let's click on that, part-time. I love that picture here. So here are some of the responsibilities and requirements, and I don't see, there's benefits here on the bottom, what to expect when you're applying. There's a video on the website. Salary range, I don't see anything listed. Let's go back, check on another position. No, I don't really see it. You're gonna have to do just a little more. Let's see, intern. They do have internships. I see a systems engineer intern in the Netherlands. There's stage sales associate. What is that? That's not an intern though. Let's take a look. But that's not here in the United States. So we have some salary listed, but not, I can't find one like in the United States. This is Pennsylvania. Let's see. Take a look. Maybe there's a salary per hour where you start. I don't know. I'm guessing like, I don't know, 17, maybe 18 an hour. That's my guess, but I don't know. I don't see it. So if you know, help us out in the comments, please. So it's not like luxury, high end, super end, like 20, 23 an hour base, and then you get commission. I think this is more like 16, 17, where you can just get in at maybe like 16 years of age, get some experience, and then move up in the retail world. Alrighty, thanks for watching.